got a new toy. This is the GoPro Hero8, and we wanted to get one because it shoots in linear, so without fisheye, and the new one's supposed to have better audio pickup, so we're going to see how it does. I'm out here at Indian Seats. Colors are great, and we're going to do a little hike. Lots of folks here today. Be interesting to see how this thing does in motion. It's supposed to be really good. Very nice. Colors are really popping this weekend. This is pretty much peak weekend, I think, for this area. The mountains just started to peak about 2.5 weeks ago, and then everything just started falling off pretty quickly. So this is prime time really here, and we're just below the start of the mountains here. So this is one of the earliest big humps, if you will, that lead and start the Appalachians. So probably can't see it, but up on the hill I see some people walking. It's gonna be hard to see, but the other trail we're gonna go out and then turn back and go up on that trail, which will take us up to the Seats, which is a rock formation where you can see all the way to the various mountains in North Georgia: Springer, Oglethorpe, Blood, several. So you'll be able to see a lot up there. And now just making our way out to the far end, which is where the visitor center and other parking area is and all that, and make our way back on the high end. All right, we've made it to our turn off. Had we parked down here at the environmental or visitor center or whatever, we would have gone back that way. Instead, we're gonna head back up the mountain and make our way back around and then back up. Got a bit of a slog getting up here. This is not the high point, but due to the top of a long climb. Still making our way around. All right, we just took the fork. It takes us up to Indian Seats. Shadow's getting long. This is one of two that I know of mines on this route, on this loop. Kind of cool. You know, we don't have too much farther. Got a couple of zigzags going up, but we'll be up to the Seats in no time. We're up on the side slope. We're getting up there a little ways. I'm behind the camera and have been, so it's going to be interesting to see how the audio does from behind. I'm kind of like over the top of the camera, so hopefully this sounds good. Good colors, really good colors. Yeah, it's got a little bit further to go. Colors really popping. Battery's starting to get a little low, I think. I can't see too well with my glasses in my pocket. Colors look good though. Through here, we're getting closer and closer to the Seats. And here we are at the Seats. Make our way up to the top. Lots of folks hanging out.
Beautiful view, huh?
A beautiful view.
Yes,
it is.
You be careful with that stick. Yeah, right. Don't hit anybody.
There you are. Smelling Oglethorpe out there. We have a little guide here. All right, making our way down from the Seats. It'll be dark here in just a little bit, another hour and 15-20 minutes. So, yeah, I'll clean that and go get some vittles. Alright, we're heading back into the sun here. Just making our way down. Lots of people on the trail today, so good day to be out. Now we're back at the parking area here. Lots of people out today. Lots of people. Sadly, our little Land Cruiser is gone, a little FJ40 that we saw coming in. Which is a shame. That's a beautiful little truck. But yeah, let's see how this GoPro did. And we're back at old Silver. Here we are. Indian seats. Test of the GoPro Hero8 done. I think I had it in Hypersmooth and all that. We'll find out. I'm gonna have to find some way to lock the settings, because I think that's a problem. If you touch anything in the back, it says, "Oh, you want to change something?" No, I was just touching. So, what are you gonna do? We'll see how this does, though. It'll be interesting.